Hello from Cherries! In this minute we want to learn a method to merge some images like a long exposure technique in photography. As we can see, we have some different images. Each image has a different lighting, but all the images are from the same spot. To merge the lights and make a long exposure effect, we select all the layers except for the background image and set the mode to lighten. Now we have made a long exposure, merging all the images with lighten mode, and we only have the lights of each image on the background image. I found this technique very amazing. Hope you like this technique in 1 minute too.